Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Sheets tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set the print area in Google Sheets. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Sheets and here I have some data with a chart. To set the print area in Google Sheets we have three options. The easiest way to see this is to go to File and Print. Here we find our print selection with a preview. At the moment the current worksheet is printed. But I also have the option of printing the entire workbook or just my selected cells. And that should also answer the questions how to set an individual print area because I only have to select the appropriate cells. For this example, I will only select these two tables, go back to File and Print. Now I change the print selection to Selected Cells and then we see that only these are in the print area. Now I could click on Next and start the printing process. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.